Hey there, coding enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of Visual Studio Code and learn how to install it to write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript programs on your computer. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download Visual Studio Code from the official website. Once you've downloaded the installer, double-click on it to start the installation process. During the installation, you'll be asked to choose your language. Select your preferred language, and the installation will continue. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to launch Visual Studio Code. Now, let's explore how to use Visual Studio Code to write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript programs. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundation of the web. It's used to create the structure of a web page, and it's where you'll be spending most of your time when you're creating websites. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is used to style your HTML. It's what gives your web pages their unique look and feel. JavaScript, on the other hand, is a programming language that allows you to add interactivity to your web pages. It's what makes your website dynamic and responsive. To start writing your first HTML, CSS, and JavaScript program, create a new file by clicking on the File menu and selecting New File. This will create a new, blank file for you to work with. Now, let's talk about some advanced features of Visual Studio Code. For example, you can use the search function to quickly find a specific line of code within your file. Simply press Ctrl+F or Cmd+F on a Mac to open the search bar and type in the line of code you're looking for. Another useful feature is the Find and Replace function. This can be accessed by pressing Ctrl+H or Cmd+H on a Mac. This will open a new window where you can search for a specific piece of text and replace it with another piece of text. Visual Studio Code also offers a built-in terminal, which can be accessed by clicking on the terminal icon in the bottom left corner of the window. This terminal allows you to run commands and scripts directly from within Visual Studio Code. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful in getting started with Visual Studio Code and writing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript programs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!